to get a Snapchat Plus for free. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can get a Snapchat Plus for free. So without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up your Snapchat app and get logged into your Snapchat account. Now let's go ahead and tap onto your Bitmoji on your top left. At this page, you will see Snapchat Plus in the first option. Tap open it. And you will see a bunch of other features that you can enjoy if you become a Snapchat Plus member. Tap on to next, and at the next page you can see monthly plan and annual plan. You can also start a free plan. Tap on to start free trial and enter your card details if necessary. By that, you can use the free trial of Snapchat Plus without having to pay for it. So that wraps up today's tutorial. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. In case it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe. We will catch you up soon.